H&M online shopping haul, try on clothing, unboxing, and review from Filipino life in France. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi, a Filipina living in France. This is my second H&M online shopping haul that I bought 4 days ago. After 4 working days of my order in H&M online shopping haul, it delivered right in my doorstep, and I only paid €4.99 for delivery. And now I cannot wait to open my H&M box. Guys, watch until the end of this video because I'm going to try on my H&M clothing that I bought from H&M online shopping. And I'm going to make an H&M review. So please stay tuned. And now let's start unboxing. Let's try on first my hoodie coat. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Welcome to my catwalk try on clothing from H&M shopping haul. Next one is jumper sweater. It's a black color. Let's try on. I enjoy every French summer sales. With this H&M online shopping haul, I save a lot of money because it was 30% to 70% off when I bought most of my items in H&M online shopping. What a great deal! Here is my H&M review. H&M clothing are on good quality and reasonable prices. H&M is the world's second largest fast fashion business. I hope you enjoy my Filipina life in France video today about H&M online shopping haul and try on clothing. And if you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.